Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wealth Wizard, and today we're going to uncover some of the most intriguing and lucrative investments that wealthy individuals often keep under wraps. These are the investments rich people make that the average person might know nothing about. So, if you're ready to expand your financial horizons and discover some hidden gems in the world of investing, keep watching. Ever wondered how the wealthy continue to grow their fortunes? It's not just about saving money, it's about investing wisely. And today, we're pulling back the curtain to reveal some investment opportunities that could change your financial future forever. Before we dive into the exclusive world of investments favored by the rich, let's establish why these investments matter and why they often remain elusive to the general public. 1. The wealth gap and investment knowledge. We live in a world marked by a significant wealth gap. The rich often have access to unique investment opportunities, specialized financial advisors, and insider knowledge that the average person may not. One key advantage the wealthy have is their networks. They're often connected to high net worth individuals and experts who share insights into exclusive investments. Building a network within the finance and investment industry can open doors to these opportunities. Attend conferences, join investment clubs, and engage with online forums to expand your network. Wealthy individuals often hire specialized financial advisors who have a deep understanding of alternative investments. These advisors can recommend strategies that go beyond traditional stocks and bonds. Consider seeking advice from professionals who are well-versed in alternative investments. They can help tailor investment strategies to your financial goals and risk tolerance. Access to exclusive information is a powerful tool. Wealthy investors sometimes receive information about upcoming investment opportunities before they become public knowledge. To stay informed, follow financial news sources, subscribe to newsletters, and consider joining investment research platforms that provide insights into emerging opportunities. 2. Alternative investments. Now, let's explore some of the alternative investments that the wealthy often turn to. Venture capital involves investing in startups and early-stage companies with high growth potential. Wealthy investors can join venture capital firms or invest directly in startups. While venture capital carries risks, successful investments in startups can yield substantial returns. Consider diversifying your portfolio with exposure to startups. Hedge funds are investment pools managed by professional fund managers. They use diverse strategies to aim for high returns while managing risk. Accredited investors can access hedge funds, but they often require significant minimum investments. Research different hedge fund strategies and choose one that aligns with your investment goals. Private equity involves investing in private companies. Wealthy individuals may pool their resources to acquire or invest in companies that are not publicly traded. Private equity investments can lead to substantial gains, but they often require a more extended investment horizon. Consult with experts who specialize in private equity to explore this avenue. Real estate syndications allow investors to participate in larger real estate projects, such as apartment complexes or commercial properties, alongside experienced real estate professionals. These investments can provide diversification and steady income streams. Research real estate syndicators with a proven track record in managing successful projects. Angel investing involves providing capital to early-stage startups in exchange for equity ownership. This can be a high-risk, high-reward strategy. Joining angel investor groups or platforms can provide access to promising startups. Conduct thorough due diligence and consider investing smaller amounts across multiple startups to spread risk. Investing in art, rare collectibles, and luxury assets is a strategy favored by the wealthy. These investments can appreciate significantly over time and offer unique diversification. Engage with art experts and auction houses to gain insights into the art market. Be cautious and only invest in pieces or assets you genuinely appreciate and understand. 3. Real estate investments. Real estate is a perennial favorite among the wealthy. Let's delve deeper into some exclusive real estate investments. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, allow individuals to invest in a portfolio of income-producing real estate assets. They provide regular dividend income and the potential for capital appreciation. REITs offer liquidity and diversification within the real estate sector. Research different types of REITs, such as equity REITs or mortgage REITs, to align with your investment goals. Real estate crowdfunding platforms enable investors to participate in real estate projects with relatively low minimum investments. These platforms democratize real estate investing, making it accessible to a broader range of investors. Review different crowdfunding platforms and assess the track record of projects they've funded. Opportunity zones are designated areas in the United States where investors can receive tax benefits for investing in economically distressed communities. Understanding the tax incentives and potential for impact investing in opportunity zones is essential. Consult with tax professionals and consider opportunities aligned with your investment strategy. Private real estate funds pool capital from accredited investors to acquire and manage real estate assets. These funds can offer exposure to a diversified portfolio of properties and professional management. Research fund managers and their investment strategies to make informed decisions. 4. Rare metals and minerals. Diversification is a key principle of wealth preservation. Wealthy investors often turn to rare metals and minerals to diversify their portfolios. Precious metals like gold and silver are traditional stores of value. They can act as hedges against inflation and economic uncertainties. Owning physical metals or investing in precious metal funds can provide exposure to these assets. Stay updated on global economic conditions that can influence precious metal prices. Rare earth elements are critical components in various industries, including technology and defense. Investing in rare earth element companies or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, can offer exposure to this sector. Stay informed about global supply and demand trends for these elements. Consider the strategic importance of rare earth elements in emerging technologies. 5. Cryptocurrency and blockchain. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology have disrupted the traditional investment landscape. Wealthy individuals are increasingly exploring this space. Bitcoin and Ethereum are well-known cryptocurrencies with substantial market capitalizations. Some wealthy investors allocate a portion of their portfolios to these digital assets as a hedge against fiat currency devaluation. Due diligence and understanding the volatility of cryptocurrencies are crucial. Consider dollar-cost averaging to mitigate price volatility. Investing in blockchain startups can offer exposure to the transformative potential of blockchain technology. These startups are developing applications across various industries. Researching the projects, teams, and use cases is essential when considering blockchain investments. Stay updated on developments in the blockchain space. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, represent unique digital assets such as digital art, collectibles, and virtual real estate. Wealthy investors participate in NFT markets where unique digital items are bought and sold. Understanding the value proposition of NFTs and market dynamics is essential in this emerging space. Be discerning when purchasing NFTs and focus on assets with genuine value. In conclusion, the world of investments offers a multitude of opportunities, some of which may not be widely known. While these investments can be appealing, it's essential to approach them with caution, conduct thorough research, and consider your risk tolerance. If you found this video enlightening and eye-opening, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who want to expand their investment horizons. Remember, financial education and awareness are essential steps toward achieving your financial goals. Don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Wizards for more in-depth content on finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. The journey to financial empowerment and success begins with knowledge and action. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and take control of your financial future. We'll see you in the next video.